In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a domain to Namecheap shared web hosting step by step. This is a really useful process if you've just bought a new domain and you want to connect it to your hosting account, or if you want to point an existing domain to a separate website inside cPanel. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to update the name servers, create the domain inside cPanel, and make sure everything is set up correctly. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple web hosting tutorials. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Namecheap account. Once you're logged in, go to your domain list. This is where all of your registered domains are shown in one place. Find the domain you want to connect to your shared hosting account and then click Manage next to it. This will open the domain settings page where you can control things like name servers, DNS, and domain configuration. Now look for the name servers section. This part is very important because it tells your domain where to point. From the drop-down menu, select Namecheap Web Hosting DEET. This tells Namecheap to connect the domain to your web hosting environment instead of using default or custom name servers. After selecting it, click the green check mark to save your changes. Make sure you save this step because without it, the domain will not point correctly to your hosting. Next, head over to your hosting list inside Namecheap. This is where your hosting plans are displayed. Find the shared hosting plan that you want to use and click Go to cPanel. That will open the hosting control panel where you can manage your websites, domains, files, databases, and more. Inside cPanel, look for the domain section. This is where you can add a new domain to your hosting account. Click Create a new domain. A form will appear asking for the domain name you want to add. Enter your domain name carefully and make sure it is spelled correctly because even a small typo can cause setup issues. After entering the domain, look for the option that says Share document root with the main domain. Uncheck that box. This is an important step if you want the new domain to have its own separate website folder instead of using the same directory as your main domain. Once you uncheck it, check the document root field to make sure a separate folder has been assigned automatically. This folder is where your website files for that domain will live. Take a moment to confirm that everything looks correct. You want the domain name entered properly, the document root separated, and the setup ready for a standalone site. When you're satisfied, click Submit. cPanel will then create the domain and add it to your shared hosting account. After that, the final thing to keep in mind is DNS propagation. Even though the domain is added right away, the changes may not work instantly everywhere on the internet. It can take some time for the DNS updates to fully propagate, so don't worry if the domain does not load immediately. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, and in some cases up to 24 to 48 hours. Once propagation is complete, your domain should point correctly to your Namecheap shared hosting account and be ready for your website content. And that's it. You've successfully added a domain to Namecheap shared web hosting. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step hosting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.